The science behind revival after death. Revival after death sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but recent advancements in medical science are bringing this concept closer to reality. In this article, we'll explore the science behind reviving people after they've technically died and how this cutting-edge research could change our understanding of life and death. 1. Understanding clinical death. Clinical death is defined as the cessation of blood circulation and breathing, leading to the eventual failure of the brain due to lack of oxygen. This is typically the point at which someone is declared dead. However, this definition is evolving as science uncovers new ways to bring people back from the brink. 2. The concept of brain death. While clinical death refers to the halt of bodily functions, brain death occurs when the brain has irreversibly lost all its functions. Once brain death is declared, revival becomes virtually impossible. However, there is a critical window between clinical death and brain death during which revival is still possible. 3. Cooling the body. Therapeutic hypothermia. One of the most effective methods for reviving someone after clinical death is therapeutic hypothermia. By cooling the body to around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, 89.6 to 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit, doctors can slow down the body's metabolic processes, reducing the demand for oxygen and preserving brain function. This cooling gives medical teams more time to restore normal circulation and breathing, significantly improving the chances of a successful revival. 4. CPR and defibrillation. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, and defibrillation are standard techniques used to revive someone who has gone into cardiac arrest. CPR manually pumps blood through the body, supplying the brain with oxygen while the heart is not beating. Defibrillation, on the other hand, delivers an electric shock to the heart, helping it to restart and return to a normal rhythm. When administered promptly, these methods can bring a person back from clinical death. 5. Emerging technologies, ECMO. Extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, ECMO, is a relatively new technology that takes over the function of the heart and lungs, pumping and oxygenating blood outside the body. ECMO is often used in cases where traditional resuscitation methods fail. It provides a critical support system, keeping the patient alive long enough for doctors to treat the underlying cause of the cardiac arrest. 6. The Lazarus phenomenon. The Lazarus phenomenon refers to the spontaneous return of circulation after CPR has been stopped. Although rare, this phenomenon has been documented in several cases, raising questions about our understanding of death. Scientists are still investigating why and how this happens, but it underscores the complexity of defining the moment of death. 7. Resuscitation science and ethics. As medical science pushes the boundaries of revival after death, ethical questions arise. How long should resuscitation efforts continue? What are the quality of life and cognitive outcomes for those who are revived after prolonged periods of clinical death? These questions are at the forefront of discussions in resuscitation science as doctors and researchers strive to balance the potential benefits of revival with the risks. 8. Future of revival science. The future of revival science is promising, with ongoing research into advanced cooling techniques, new drugs to protect brain function, and even the potential for using stem cells to repair damaged organs. While we're still far from being able to fully reverse death, each discovery brings us closer to understanding and perhaps even redefining the boundaries of life. Conclusion. The science behind revival after death is a rapidly evolving field that challenges our traditional notions of life and death. From therapeutic hypothermia and CPR to cutting-edge technologies like ECMO, these advancements are giving people a second chance at life, even after they've been declared clinically dead. As research continues, the line between life and death may become increasingly blurred, leading to new possibilities in medicine and beyond.